Hi, this is Diana Guerra, and I will be sharing with you the diverse pedagogical practices that I have been using with my middle schoolers. First of all, let's move to the environment. The context is Oakland Language Academy, a school magnet program that offers immersion education in Spanish for students from kindergarten to 8th grade to a multicultural community. One of the school visions is to focus in promoting bilingualism, bilaterality, and multicultural proficiency through global and diverse learning relevance and engagement. Oakland also promotes high academic achievement in literacy, proficiency in both languages, English and Spanish, and an enriching level of cultural awareness and sensitivity for the diversity. I am very aware of the needs of my students and how they need to learn. That's where I use different practices. Now, pedagogical practices are those strategies, activities that educators use in order to promote students' learning. My number one is cooperative learning, where the students learn together. As you can see here in the picture, my students were creating sentences and using the previous knowledge in groups. So that way, teamwork, they were in a competition and they can grow together, maximizing their learning. Secondly, I have the social emotional learning as a way to understand other people and to grow in the emotional aspect, because this is not only teaching students SEL skills but also model practices and behavior and making the school more human. In this activity, I was working with them in a very social activity so they can express themselves in a very open way. Of course, technology has become one of the most important practices that students and teachers use to for engagement and for learning. So this takes me to the ACT and TAC practice, which is learning through a screen. Educational environments are significantly enhanced through the use of learning and knowledge technologies due to the benefits they offer for information exchange, communication, and teaching. Nowadays, our students engage very easily in conversations with other students around the globe, creating their own information relevant for them, presentation, because they are aware of what they need. So that is very important for the students, and it's a tool that teachers can implement in the classroom. Now, a small group is another of my favorite practices because I target the skill of the students, like it says, in a small groups. It is not necessary to have a whole teaching, but reteach to the students that require a specific develop of a skill. Not only that, but also helps me to differentiate the learning. It helps me to increase participation, get to know the students, and provide timely feedback, while the other part of the group is working independently. Here I have a presentation of how it works. That the students are working, just three students at my table, and I am reteaching the lesson so they can understand better and participate more. Well, thank you so much for listening, and I really hope that you leave a comment. Bye.